time for another LA Comic Con vlog. Actually, did I do one last year? I don't think I did. I think I just did like TikToks. But I'm doing a full vlog this time. And my hair goes over one eye in this wig and I can't see anything and it's terrifying and annoying and yeah. But otherwise it's a very comfy cosplay. So yeah, I decided to be comfy today because I got back from Austin the day before yesterday and have only had literally one day at home before I had to get going again because we're staying in a hotel for this con. So yeah, I had one day at home, then had to repack and then head out again. But today is also my 28th birthday, so it's a really fun way to spend the con or the day. I don't think you could hear anything I just said, but basically it's my 28th birthday, spending it at LA Comic Con. We're just getting here and it's already 3:15, so not really spending the whole day here, but yeah, we're just playing it chill today, being comfy. Gonna go pick up badges. I'm here with Hot Topic, which is awesome. So I get to go pick up my badge from them, and then I think I get a gift card to get to go to their booth and buy myself some goodies, which I'm hyped for. Don't know what I'm gonna get, but I heard that they have like a Nightmare Before Christmas booth, so I know it's gonna be good. Alright, so we're inside right now. We're walking to go get my badge because I have to go get it from the front hall. It is so quiet in here. It is like so dead. I swear I've like never in any like Comic-Con seen it this dead. It's 3 p.m. on a Friday, so I guess I don't know if that explains anything. But yeah, it's like maybe it'll be more quiet or more loud here in like South Hall, but yeah, it's oh yeah, here's people. We found the people. So here's all the people. I guess the hall isn't open yet. And that's probably why it's so quiet. We gotta go find my badge. All right. Badge obtained. I am industry. And we're actually in the con hall now. It took a really long time for them to open it up. It's like 4:15. I think it was supposed to open at like 3. But we're in here now. It is still very empty. I think a bunch of people didn't come today. Oh, sure. Here, do you wanna like, just keep filming me?
Rare moment right here.
Someone took a picture. People actually recognize this, which is fun. I got a 14. So we're in the artist alley and I'm crashing so bad. I'm on like 3 hours of sleep. I need to like eat something or take a nap or drink some water or something, Starbucks, I don't know. Or all of the above, honestly. Oh, and my contacts are kind of getting really dry, so now my eyes are like, ugh. It's a lot. It is still empty. It's 5:20. I have to go pick something up from the Hot Topic booth at 6 p.m. And it's empty here. I don't want to keep walking around because I'm tired. So, I don't know what we're gonna do. Chill, I guess. It's been a long day. I was up pretty early this morning, just creating content and shooting some stuff and getting ready and packing. And we were up late last night con crunching. So, like, yeah, I'm tired. Got a pretzel, got some green tea. So, I'm just gonna sit here for a second and kind of, I don't know, recuperate. I don't know. I think the word I was looking for was re-energize. That was nice. We just sat for like half an hour and just ate a snack, had some tea, feeling a little bit refreshed. I think that was the word I was actually looking for, refreshed. That was what I was looking for. So now I gotta go to the Hot Topic booth and see if I can find these people and get like a wristband and create some content and all this fun stuff. And then we're gonna head out. Okay, here is the entrance to the booth. Now we gotta find the people. We found where we were supposed to be. That was so much fun, and I'm still wearing the sweater I got because it's cold in here. But now we've got to like run because we have reservations because it's my birthday, so we have dinner, and I need to change because I can't go to dinner like this because it's like a real person restaurant, like a nice one, I think. I don't know. I actually don't know anything about it or where it is or did any planning whatsoever, but I've been told, and I brought a dress, so I have to change into it, I think. So yeah, we gotta go real fast. Okay, so it is now 7:28. Our reservation is at 7:30. That was the speediest change in the history of ever, I think. So we made it. Unfortunately, there's like, I guess, a rooftop, but it's closed because it's raining. Why did it rain on my birthday? Like, what the hell? But yeah, we're here at the restaurant, and I got some veggies and hummus, and apparently there's a speakeasy downstairs, so we're gonna check it out. All right, day 2. I was supposed to like stream and stuff last night and even like vlog a little bit more, but I was so freaking tired. Like literally, I thought I was gonna throw up. I was so tired. I got back to my hotel after dinner and stood in the shower for I think like literally an hour just under the hot water. Like I died. But I am revived today. I'm back. I am wearing my Barbie, the same one that I wore to San Diego, but we made some additions to it. I added more stars to my pants. I actually added stars to my butt too, but I don't know if I can show you that right now. If I find a mirror or something. Oh my god, the lighting is so harsh right now. It's beautiful out today. It's like 65 and sunny and blue skies, and it's just so bright. I can't see anything. But yeah, we just got to the con. It's like 2 p.m. and there's a pretty big security line, so I'm gonna go wait in that and then go into the con and have some fun and see my friends. I don't know, I'm hyped for today. I feel like today's gonna be a really good day. I'm like in a really good mood. There's actually people here today. It's like actually kind of crowded, which is nice because yesterday was so dead and so empty. But like there's so many people. Okay, it's like actually been hours. I have not been shooting or filming. I've just been shooting. Luckily, everyone loves Barbie, so everyone's wanted to take pictures of me and like with her and stuff, which is really fun. But like we haven't even been like into the convention yet. We're still in the front hall. Like, we've been out here for like a good couple hours at this point. So yeah, we're gonna try and actually go up and in now. Finally. And we're finally actually inside. Yay! Oh my god, my feet hurt so bad. These heels are so high. And I forgot, I keep forgetting these shoes need like, I need to put like some cushion in them or something, because there's like absolutely no like cushioning in them, and that is a mistake. Found early!
Hi! Welcome to the Daniela vlog, the best vlog of Comic-Con LA 2022.
Woo! Ruby's booth had chairs, and I just sat there for like forever. Oh my god, it felt so good to sit down. I'm trying to not walk into people's photos. Okay. Oh my god, it felt so good. And now we're just gonna go check out the artist alley for a little bit before we have to head out. So I'm excited. I love the artist alley.
Yeah, we have a good. Yay!
Let's do the pose. Like,
Jimmy, I need a pose. Oh, wait, get your own photo first. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
You can say hi!
Thanks, man.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
I thought you ordered it first and I was like, oh no. Okay. Oh. Hi, vlog people. Oh, hi, Barbie's vlog.
Can you switch to my phone? It's actually still pretty crowded here. It's like 6 p.m. but I think we're heading out because A, my feet are absolutely killing me. And I'm tired, and also we're having a little gathering in my hotel room tonight for my birthday. So, gotta go get ready for that. I'm kind of excited to change out of these shoes though. It's like the most exciting part. It's gonna feel so good. Alright, today's day 3. We've only been here for half an hour or so, and already I am completely crashing. I'm literally hiding on the ground. I'm wearing the same shoes I wore yesterday. I don't know if I showed them yesterday, but like this is them. They're not comfortable whatsoever. I even put insoles in them and they're still not comfortable. So yeah, I'm hiding out here for a sec, sitting down, and I'm Daphne, and then eventually we'll go in and do the con thing for a little bit, and then I think head out early. Oh my god, I am so tired. I have been barely vlogging, barely taking pictures. I'm wiped out. I'm dead. We're gonna go check out one more haul that we haven't seen yet, and then I think we're just gonna head out because I'm so tired and my feet hurt so bad I cannot walk. We just walked around the dealer's hall a little bit and the artist alley. I bought this sticker. I don't actually evade my taxes if anyone from the IRS is watching this, but I like the sentiment of it. They got blind boxes, that's my favorite thing. This haul is actually pretty cool. It has all like the anime stuff in it. I'm not entirely sure why we didn't come here earlier or really know too much about it. Like, do you see this thing? Like, I don't think you could even see the head from here. It's so tall. I think it's like probably life size. I wish we had come to this haul earlier because it's actually really cool, but I'm walking like an idiot right now because my feet hurt so bad. So we're just checking out one more booth, which is like the it's like Pokemon booth, and then I think we need to get out of here because I'm gonna collapse. We found a Magikarp. Magikarp. Finally got my sneakers on. Feels so good.